GitHub Copilot costs $10 a month. Cursor costs $20. But right now, there is a completely free AI coding agent sitting inside VS Code. Open source, no subscription, no credit card, and almost nobody is talking about it. It's called Cline, and by the end of this video, you're going to have it installed, connected to a free AI model, and writing real code for you in under 5 minutes. Let's go. In this video, I'm going to connect it to Google Gemini, which is totally free with no credit card, so you can follow along right now. Open VS Code, press Ctrl plus Shift plus X to open the extensions panel, or click the blocks icon on the left sidebar. Type Cline in the search bar. You'll see it right at the top. That's the official one. Click Install. It takes about 5 seconds. Once it's installed, you'll see the Cline icon in your sidebar. Click it to open the Cline panel. The first time you open it, Cline will ask you to connect an API provider. This is where we're going to plug in our free Gemini API key. Let's go get that now. Go to astudio.google.com in your browser. Sign in with your Google account. No credit card, completely free. Click this key icon on the bottom left, then click Create API Key. Select a project or create a new one. Your free Gemini API key is ready. Copy it. You'll only see it once, so paste it somewhere safe first. Now go back to VS Code and open the Cline settings. In the API Provider dropdown, select Google Gemini. Paste your API key into the field. For the model, select Gemini 3.5 Flash. It's fast, free, and more than powerful enough for coding tasks. Click Save. Cline is now connected to a free AI model. You're ready to go. Let me show you what Cline can actually do. I've got an empty project folder open. I'm going to ask Cline to build a simple to-do app from scratch. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, with no code written yet. I'm typing a plain English instruction. No code, no commands, just what I want. Watch what happens. Cline reads your project folder first. It understands your context, then it starts writing the code directly into your files. You can see exactly what it's doing at every step. It's creating the HTML file, writing the structure, the styles, the JavaScript logic, all in one shot. Done. Let's open it in the browser. A fully working to-do app. Add tasks, mark them complete, delete them. Built from a single sentence, and it cost me exactly nothing. And because Cline is an agent, not just autocomplete, I can keep the conversation going. Let me ask it to redesign the UI. Dark mode, rounded cards, modern layout. Done in seconds. This is what an agent does. It doesn't just complete a line. It understands your goal and keeps working until it's finished. If this helped you, smash the like button. It means a lot. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly web dev and AI tools every week. And drop a comment below telling me what you're going to build first. I'll see you in the next one.